Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a website on Wix. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide, and let's get into the video. So first thing first, open up any browser of your choice and then go to wix.com. So when you get to wix.com, so here you're on your home page here. So firstly what we're going to do, we're going to hit on this get started option here. So click on it. Once you click on get started, so the next page you see here is the sign in page. So you go to either sign up, or if you already have a account, you can simply log into your account. So plug in your email address and login details, just plug in. If you don't have an account, simply hit on sign up. Okay, simply hit on sign up, and then when you hit on sign up, all you have to do is plug in your email address and create a password and then hit on sign up. Alternatively, you can also sign up with your Google or your Facebook credentials, which I'm going to do now because it's pretty much easier. So I'll just sign in with my Google credentials. So I'm going to choose my Google credential and then just log in using that. So you can just log in either way you want. So once you've logged in here, so we're going to get to this page here where we're going to start building our site. Alright, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to click on this option here. Click on create new site. So hit on create new site, and then now you're going to open up to this page here where you're going to start with the actual process of building a site. So it's going to ask you whether you're going to build this site with the help of AI. So if you want, you can simply hit on start chat and then do it with AI, but I wouldn't recommend that. So because I want something to set up by my own and personalize it, so I would choose setup without chat, which is without AI. So choose that, and then once that's done, so here, so now first questions, just a couple of questions that you need to provide to initially set up your website. So what type of website or business is yours? So you can just choose anything from, like, there are some samples here. You can choose anything from here, depending on what type of site you want to create. So for example, let's say I'm going to create a blog. Like for example, I'll choose a blog just for this demo purpose. I will choose blog. So or maybe an entertainment blog. So I'll just choose that and then hit on continue. So whatever it is, just choose that, type in, hit on continue, and then what are you going to call? So just further detailed information about my blog. So it's going to ask you what I'm going to call that. So I'm going to call it, just use my name probably, or I'm going to probably write a blog on movies, so like a movie review. So just put that, Shan Cinemas. Okay, so I'm going to type what that is all about. So a blog on latest movie reviews. So I'll just use that. All right, so I'm going to write reviews on movies. All right, that's it. So I'm going to hit on continue. So you just have to fill this information. So hit on continue, and a little more, is asking for your goals for this site. So you can choose any of these options here. So I'll just put probably create and share content here. I'm just going to, it's a blog, so I'll just use that. So depending on your site, you can just choose these options here, hit on continue. All right, and then furthermore, last step here. So what else do you need to manage on your site? So I would just say probably run your site on mobile. Yeah, I can run it on my mobile and create a link in bio page here. You can just choose that. You can just choose whatever that suits you, hit on finish. So now this is going to create the initial page for us, which we can customize later. So it's going to take a little bit of time to initially set up the whole thing. So just be patient and then wait for it to load up the page for you. So just do that. And then once this loads here, so if you can see here, so this is the like the initial stage of page here. So here what you can do, you can click on, all right, so you can click on how you want a custom domain. So you can choose what domain you want, so based on your name, your website's name. So for example, since I put Shan Cinemas, I'll just use shancinemas.com. That's fine. I'll just put let's go. I'll just use that. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to design my site first. So once I've designed, then I will add the contents to it. So I'm going to hit on design site. So here when you get to this design page here, again it's going to ask you whether you want to design using an AI or from a template. For me, this is purely up to you. So you can use a AI to design, or else you can use a template. Like I'll use the template way because I'm going to customize it and see how it looks like. So like it's your personal preference. So I'll just pick a template. So when you hit on that, so what I'm going to do, it's going to offer me with lots of templates here, which I can just choose whatever I want. So like depending on your site nature, so you can just choose any of these templates here. So for example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose, let me choose one, so probably here. So something like this. It's since I'm creating a movie blog, so I'll just use that, something like this. So I can hit on this to view this, just to see how it looks like, or I can straightly select this and edit it. So all these templates here are purely customizable, so you can simply customize them. All right, so hit on edit. So I'm going to edit this template. I'm going to use this template for my site and then edit it. So let's get that done. So I'm going to set up this editor here, so the website builder and editor. So while this sets up, so again it takes just a little bit of time for it to set it up. So once this loads now, again it's going to ask you if you want to use you're going to like create the content using AI. So simply you can, if you want, you can use it, but as I said earlier, I'm just going to not use AI, so I'll just hit on close, and that's it. So this is my basic website template. So now what we can do, I can simply customize this. So if I hit on this zoom button here, so I can just zoom it, and now see, so all I can do, so everything that you see here, all the text, images and graphics, everything is customizable, so you can customize them. Right, so here, so what I'm going to do, so I'm going to like first thing first, probably if I click on, that's my name here. So I'm going to edit it. So if you want, whatever you want to edit it, any feature or any item or text or graphics, simply click on it, and then you'll see the quick edit button. So click on quick edit. Okay, so when you click on quick edit, so now I'm going to change this name to my name. So alright, I'll choose that, and then I can change the color. Since it's a vector art, I can change that. If I hit on it, I can change it. So as I said, it's purely customizable. And once that's done, so what I'm going to do, when that's done, I'll just leave it as it is. I'm just not going to waste too much time on customizing, so that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So if you want to change anything on this, any feature on this, you can simply click on it. If you don't want this search bar, you can simply click on it and move it. Or if you don't want any of these options here, you can simply move it. All right, just click on it, and then like if I want to, like this is review, so if I want to change this to review, so I can just click on it, and then all I have to do is hit on again quick edit. Just click on quick edit, and then I can just change this text to whatever I want to mention. I can just do that. That's done. And once that's done, so you can just play around with this depending on your website, your content. You can play around with it and then keep whatever you want, and then delete whatever you don't want. So for example, if I don't want this whole thing here, this subscribe page here, so I can simply hit on it, and then hit on the delete option, and then it will be removed. See, it's been deleted. And then here, if you want to add stuff, if you on your left side here, you have this add elements option. Simply click on it, and then when you click on add elements, and here you can add any images, buttons, strips, anything where you want, or even a music and video. If you want to add it, you can add from the existing one, or you can add from library. You can just do that, and then just click and drag it, and you'll be able to drop it here, anything. And then or any images, you can just hit on images, and then if you want to use from your own images, hit on upload and import, click on it, and then you can hit on upload image, and then just choose an image from your gallery, and then just upload it here on your page. You can do that. Yep, so you just have to upload from your computer, and then use that on these on your page. And then if you want to go to other pages, for example here, so if you go to here, right now we are on this my blog page, so simply select another page. For example, go to this about page, hit on it, so you'll be able to view that page, and you can edit that page as well. So here when you get to this about me option, so here as I said, you can just change this. So this is a sample, so I'm going to like put my image here, so I can do that, put my image here. Simply hit on this image, and then click on change image, and then I can just upload my own image. So for example here, hit on upload media, and then upload my own image, choose it and then upload it here, and then change with my image. And then this text here I can also change, so I can change this. Just click on the text and then you'll be able to edit it, as I said earlier. So edit it, and then that's it. I can set it up as much as I want. If I go to this pages and menu option here, so here what I can do, simply, if I want to, for example, I don't need a contact page, let's say I want to delete it, so you can simply click on these three dots here on the right of that page, hit on it, and then you can have this delete option. So you can simply hit on delete, or you can also rename it, or you can add another page, duplicate, like all those things. So you have these options there to play around with these menus here. So, and these are the basic things you can do with you can do and customize. And then once you're done with all your editing and customization, all you have to do is you can see a preview of your site. If you hit on this preview option here, then it will show you a preview of your site. And if you are happy with your whatever your site is, how done with your site, simply what you have to do is hit on publish. So when you hit on publish, then it will go live, and then you can now share your website URL to everyone. And that's, you will see this screen here where congratulations, your site is now published. So my site can be accessed with this URL here. So you can just copy this URL and share it with anyone on social media, on wherever you want. And you can, if you hit on view site, then you will be able to see your site. Your site will be published now, and you can share this. Then that's your URL, and you can share it anywhere you want with anyone you want. And that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video was helpful to you all, and if you have any questions or any doubts, feel free to comment us on this video, and then I will see you all in another video. Thank you.